Bethuna, who knew that politics could hurt like this? Senjoba niyabona mos on these social streets ziyakhala, i-voice notes zigcwele, abantu bayakhala. Yintoni ingxaki? Ngumjolo, si-politics. Hayi bethuna, senjidobana mna eyam i-political party, i-new kid on the block. And mna bendine-high hopes. Yho, i-voice note bendizithumela kwabantu zisithi yizani kweli cala lethu, yizani kweli cala lethu, i-greener pastures, nto. Yho mabethuna, asaherdeka. Nge-first day mna bengawazi nothini, bengafuni nokutya. Siherdekile mabethuna, senditsho uba ii-members zazo zonke ii-political parties except for Umkhonto, of course, zisorrowful because wow, waze wasigwaza Mkhonto. Waze wasiherda Mkhonto. Woh, awusigwazile. Senditsho uba inxeba linzulu, sinee-chest pains mabetnana. Yeyi, sonke sinee-chest pains. Kuselebreyitha Umkhonto mabetnana, but thina singabanye, sisorrowful, but ke funeke siqine but si-hurt man. Hayi, xa nisibona ingathi sisomba bafethu nisincede man, just give us time, you understand, bear with us because siherdekile. We had high hopes for ii-political parties zethu, sonke hayi, sonke siyakhala, akho mntu uzozenza strong apha, sonke si-hurt.
But into ekufanele siphile nayo comrade.
Sidliwe la e-NTZ, sadliwa sancama iherikwa la yonke abantu bavotela i-MK. Kade sibaphekela, mna bengijude ekuphekeni-ke, kusho ukuthi bengiphekela abantu be-ANC kodwa bavotela i-MK sebedla ukudla okhari bethu. Hayi abantu ayigeke, ngiwabonile la e-NTZ. Hayi ngeke ngikhathele ngodaka. Sidliwe nje siwu-Dr. Nkosazana Dlamini Zuma oshona from Ward 1 to Ward 15. Sidliwe iherigwala yonke, sidliwe abantu bavotela i-MK. Ii-members ze-ANC ezigqoke izikipa ze-ANC emini mase zifika lapha eKalpotini zavotela i-MK. Hayibo, hayi abantu baze basifundisa ngeke.
Guys, ngeke. Hayi ngeke guys. Sibheke kanjani la? Guys, sibheke kanjani? Sibheke kanjani la? Sibenze kangaka? Yo, from February, guys. Usuku nosuku. Sibheke kanjani la? No, my friends.
Umshene wami we baba